Ever wondered why happiness and inner peace often seem like elusive treasures? Today, we're diving deep into the ocean of tranquility to explore strategies that can lead us to the shores of joy and serenity. First on our list is mindfulness. Mindfulness, a simple yet profound practice, anchors us in the present moment. It's about acknowledging and accepting our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. Breathe in, breathe out, and observe the world around you without trying to change anything. This sense of presence can create a peaceful sanctuary within us, a sanctuary where happiness naturally resides. Next up is gratitude. Unraveling the power of gratitude can significantly transform our perspective. Start by acknowledging the good in life, however small it may seem. The warmth of the sun on a cold day, a kind smile from a stranger, or the taste of your favorite meal. These moments of appreciation can create a ripple effect of positivity, leading to a greater sense of happiness. Moving on, we have the practice of self-care. Ensuring to take care of one's physical, emotional, and mental well-being is a crucial step towards happiness and inner peace. Eat nutritious meals, get regular exercise, ensure enough sleep, and take time to do things you love. Self-care isn't selfish. It's necessary to fill our own cup before we can pour into others. The fourth strategy is to cultivate positive relationships. Surround yourself with people who uplift, inspire, and respect you. Authentic connections can lead to a feeling of belonging and happiness. Remember, it's about quality, not quantity. Lastly, let's not forget the importance of resilience. Life may throw curveballs, but the ability to bounce back, to adapt, to learn from our experiences forms the backbone of inner peace. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth because every setback can be a setup for a comeback. So to summarize, happiness and inner peace aren't elusive treasures, they are within our reach. Practice mindfulness to anchor yourself in the present moment. Cultivate gratitude to change your perspective. Prioritize self-care to maintain your well-being. Nurture positive relationships for a sense of belonging, and build resilience to withstand life's storms. Remember, these strategies are not one size fits all. Feel free to adapt them to your life and your journey. The path to happiness and inner peace is a personal one, unique to each of us. The key lies in being willing to embark on this journey and to keep moving forward, one step at a time. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of happiness and inner peace. The journey within can be the most rewarding one. So breathe in, breathe out, and step into your tranquil sanctuary.